Well, some North Carolina Democrats are calling on Jefferson Griffin to end his bid for a state Supreme Court seat and to honor the November election results. Our state Capitol reporter Dina Harley joins us now live with the latest on this growing and contentious legal battle. Dina?
Yeah, hey Brian, Democrats really banded together earlier today. They held a meeting to talk about the back and forth that we've been seeing in the Supreme Court seat battle, and they also wanted to talk about what they say is at stake. Now, if this all sounds familiar, it's because this is just the very latest in that long legal challenge by Griffin. He's that Republican vying for Democratic Associate Judge Allison Riggs' seat. Griffin trails Riggs by over 700 votes, but has since argued that tens of thousands of those votes shouldn't count because they were cast by what he calls ineligible voters. 2 recounts confirmed Riggs as the winner. A federal appeals court will hear more arguments in the case now. That comes at the same time the North Carolina Supreme Court considers it as well. So today, Democrats, that's including former Governor Roy Cooper, say they're worried about the future of voting if Griffin is successful in his lawsuits.
This time it's 60,000 ballots. Next time it's 100,000 ballots. And then it's 250,000 ballots until no votes get counted. What's the point of voting if Republicans in North Carolina are allowed to do this?
And North Carolina Republicans did release a statement to me saying in part, quote, "We are simply fighting for election integrity with issues we have documented conflict with state law and are not disputed by the State Board of Elections." Now, both that federal appeals court and the state Supreme Court set some deadlines for the end of this month. That's for briefing deadlines or oral arguments. So we can expect some movement on the case then. Live in Raleigh, Dina Harley, Queen City News.
Yeah, certainly a lot riding on this decision. We'll see when it comes down. All right, Dina, thanks.